Can I ride that one so I can stunt?
Sure.
I want to do some stunts. I need the content, you know? The content. This thing's stalled. Say something to YouTube.
What?
Say something to YouTube.
17.
That was bad. Oh man, okay, almost looped out on the jump, but it's all good. I overshot that so hard. Hey Reese, can you take a video of me lighting up this turn right here?
What do you mean?
Actually, never mind. I'm good. Okay, that's what I was trying to avoid. Looping out, but I have no rear brake, so I can't really avoid it as well anymore. Because normally when that happens, you tap the rear brake, it brings the front back down, but my rear brake is not working right now. This still hasn't snapped off yet. Oh shoot. The little piece that was attached to the side fender has now snapped off completely. Great. I fell. I was doing a wheelie and I forgot I didn't have a rear brake and I just looped out.
Oh, did the bike flip over?
Well, I kept it up mostly, but it scraped the peg in the brake that no longer works, so. Yeah. But I'm good. I was just sliding on my knees with the bike sideways. Okay, that bike is not gonna... That bike's probably not gonna do it.
I know, last time I went on a jump off this jump with this bike, it was just...
Yeah. Every single time I go off this, I'm in like a wheelie when I land. Like, it's insane. I'm gonna hit this edge right here. You wanna take a video? Get it. What is he doing? Shit, I just dropped my glove.
That is why this bike sucks.
Here. I'm gonna fly off this.
Alright, I'll just put the bike.
Yeah. I landed in a wheelie with the... I could have hit it even harder, but I was in second. I kind of want to hit it in third. That was a pretty solid jump.
When you're in the air, the sun glimmers.
What? Almost. It was very, very close. You want to? Okay. We'll have a Reese cam. I'm gonna try to... I haven't even finished my English homework yet. Have you? The letter?
Oh, shit. How long is that?
It's not... It can be as short or long as you want.
Oh, so that's fine.
But you still have to, like, answer her questions. No, this will go right here. Push that down. Now you're ready to go. Now we got a Reese cam.
The Reese cam. 1717. Alright, for your videos you have it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. 1717. Here we go. Hell yeah. Look both ways. Taking it slow. Alright. Look both ways. Do your turn signal. Turn signal right here. Alright. Oh fuck. Taking it easy. Nice ride.
Where were you?
I was in heaven.